Namaste. Welcome to Paru Yoga. I'm Paru. Let us practice yoga for acne and clearer skin. Thank you so much, Swati, for requesting this video. Do check out her awesome Zumba channel. The link is given below. These yoga poses focus on better blood flow, oxygenation, and helps to remove toxins, which in turn helps in reducing acne and clearing your skin. Remember to practice this daily and have a balanced lifestyle and positive outlook for much better results. Let's practice together. Inhale for hastasana. Stand straight and tall. Your legs firm on the floor. Couple of deep breaths. Now inhale and slowly raise your hands up above and push it back as much as possible. Upper body and spine is straight. Be here for few seconds. Feel the stretches. Breathing is normal and exhale to gently lower your body while the spine is straight. Place your fingers under your legs or on the sides. Try to touch your knees. Breathing is normal. Place your fingers under your legs. If you have back pain, do not try to touch your knees. Be here for a while. Find some gentle motion in your toes and legs. You may bend your knees and hands raised up above and send it back as much as possible. Your chest opens up. Be here for a while. And slowly come back by bringing your hands on the heart center and release. Janusirsasana. Be in Dandasana. Inhale and exhale. Bring your right leg inwards as much as possible. Now inhale and slowly raise your hands up above. Exhale to lower your body. Lower your hands such that forehead tries to touch the left knee and your hands either catches your toes or you may lay them on sides. If you cannot do this, then you may go down as much as possible. Inhale up and exhale. Release, then relax. Now next leg. Inhale and exhale. Bring your leg inwards as much as possible. Now inhale and slowly raise your hands up above. Exhale to lower your body. Lower your hands such that forehead tries to touch the knee and your hands either catches your toes or you may lay them on sides. Inhale up and exhale. Release, then relax. Sarvangasana and Halasana. Lies down on your back. Inhale to raise your legs in 90 degrees. Bend your knees gently and lift your hips and support your lower back with your hands. Fingers should be on your waist and thumb should be in stomach. Hold here for 5 breaths. If you cannot do this, then you can be in Viparit Karani. Sarvangasana is the queen of all asanas as it stretches the entire body. Now we move to Halasana. Exhale, send one leg to the floor and inhale to send it up. Now same for the next leg. Exhale down. Inhale up. Now exhale, send both legs to the floor. Be here for a few seconds. Interlace your hands on the back. You may place your knees on the forehead if you need to adjust. If you are not comfortable, then you may support the waist. If you are unable to touch the floor by your legs, then you may go halfway. You may relax or tuck in as you wish. Inhale and come back to Sarvangasana. More blood flow towards your face helps to brighten your face. So this asana is very helpful for a glowing face. And bend your knees. Slide your hands from hips to thighs and release this asana. And sit in a comfortable position. Sit comfortably in Dandasana to relax. Find some gentle motion in your toes and legs. You may shake your legs gently while hands lays behind. Find some motion in your legs. Cobra Pose. Lie down on the floor. Stretch your legs back, tops of the feet on the floor. Spread your hands under your shoulders. Press the tops of the feet and thighs into the floor. Inhale to lift the chest off the floor, going only halfway or up to the level of navel. Press the lower back down and lift your upper body. The shoulder blades are firm. Be here for 8 breaths. Breathing is normal. Inhale and exhale, release back to the floor. Once more. If you have back pain, spread your legs. Inhale to begin to strengthen the arms to lift the chest off the floor, going only half. Press the lower back down and lift your upper body. The shoulder blades are firm. Breathing is normal. Inhale and exhale, release back to the floor. Be in Makarasana to rest and relax for a few seconds. Deep breath in and exhale full. Trikonasana, good for oxygen flow in the body. Stand straight. Place your legs about 3 feet apart. Hips are squared. Inhale, your arms should be in line with your shoulders. Exhale and bend your torso on the right side. Open up your chest. Bend comfortably as much as you can. Keep your legs straight. You may go down as much as possible. Do not push too much. You may use blocks if you need. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Bend your right knee and come all the way up while you inhale. Now next side, your left toe towards your left, hips are squared. Inhale, your arms in line with your shoulders. Exhale and bend your torso on the left side. Open up your chest. Bend comfortable as much as you can. Keep your legs straight. You may go down as much as possible. Do not push too much. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Bend your left knee and come all the way up while you inhale. Exhale, then release and relax. Kapalbhati, sit comfortably in lotus pose and spine is straight. Hands are in Vishnu Mudra, resting on your knees. Spine is straight. Inhale deep, hold for 3 seconds. Exhale fully. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Inhale is passive and exhalation is active. Exhale forcefully and then inhalation is automatic. Do this for 15 to 20 rounds and you may gradually increase up to 100 rounds or up to 5 to 10 minutes. For Kapalbhati, make sure your stomach is empty or at least 3 hours after your meal. It is advised to do this during the mornings, and ladies, please avoid this during your periods. Be gentle and slow if you have high blood pressure and diabetes. Sheetali Pranayama with Yoni Mudra. This cools down your internal organs, which is essential for avoiding acne. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Roll your tongue to form a tube. Inhale through the tongue. Draw the tongue in. Close the mouth and hold the breath for a few moments or as long as you can. Now be in Yoni Mudra. Thumb closes the ear. Index fingers on eyebrows. Middle fingers on top of eyes. Ring fingers near the nostrils. Little fingers near the lips. Tuck your chin and hold your breath. If you cannot hold your breath in this way, then you may breathe normally. Come back to the center and exhale full from your nose. This is one round. You may do this for 4 to 6 rounds. Savasana. Lay on your back. Eyes are closed. Hands lays on your sides. Spread your hands on your side. Your eyes are closed and body tries to relax. Hands and legs are spread at ease. We are trying to rest in an active way by being conscious about each part of our body. Observe the normal breath, how they come and go, the gentle stretches in your muscles, or tiny droplets of sweat rolling over, or relaxing mind. You may realize your heartbeat. You may be here for 5 to 10 minutes. It is one of the best ways to relax your body and mind. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice. Practice these yoga poses each day for better results, and do not forget to share this with your friends and loved ones. Also, please comment below about your experiences. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.